everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to make hydrology analysis. So to do that, I will use ArcGis Pro to do that. So first thing you need to do, you need to add a DM, an elevation. So I will look for my elevation in my desktop here. So I go to TIS and I click on elevation. So I add it to my folder, then I drag the folder to my map. Sorry, to my map. That's the first thing you need to do. There you go. You have the DM right now. I can change the name here. Let me change the name here. So let's call it DM. Okay. And now the second thing I want to do, I want to calculate the flow direction. So to calculate the flow direction, I will go to analysis, and then I go to tools. Then in tools, I go here. I go down to spatial data analysis, spatial data tools, spatial analysis tools, and I click there, and I click on hydrology, and then I click on flow direction here. So it's taking a while to pop up. So okay, here I put my DM. Then you see this one will flow, it come here. Here I can okay, I will leave it like that, and say I click run. So it will take a little while to process. Okay, now perfect. I have my flow direction, but I am not sure. I don't know if the flow direction doesn't have sink. So I should look for sinks. So I will go to again geo processing. Now I will click on sink to see if there is sink. So I click on flow direction, and then click run. Now I have the sinks. I will now fill the sinks. So I will also go to geoprocessing, and here I will click on fill. I will use my DM here. So to fill the DM. Then I say one, sorry. Okay, it's coming up. Okay. Okay, yes, this is perfect. Now I have filled my DM. So with the DM fill, so I will again create the flow direction. So I come here again, and then here I will put my DM fill DM, okay, and then I would check that, and then I say run. So again, it will take a lot of time to process, so, and it will be fine. There you go. Now I have a new flow direction. So I will remove the first flow direction that I created. I will remove that from the list. So I will come here, I look for flow direction, this one, the first one, then I remove it. I will work with the flow direction, with the fill flow direction. So now I will create right now flow accumulation. So I come here, and for my input flow direction, for my input raster, I will put the flow direction here, the fill one, and then I say run again. I'm creating now the flow accumulation. Okay, it is processing, it's running, it just needs a little time, so then it should be fine. Yep, it is processing, and now it's done. So this is now the flow accumulation. I have the flow accumulation created, then I will create basin. Now we'll create basin. To create the basin, we will use the flow direction. The flow direction that I have here, I click on that and then say run. So now I am creating the basin. So again, it will take a little time to process, so we will wait for it so that it can process. Okay, it's processing, and okay, processing. Now the basin is created. So as you can see here, it's created. I have many basin here. So I want a special basin. So to create my special basin, I need to upload. I need to have I have a point that I will add a georeference, a geographic data I will add here to my map so I can have it. I will add my georeference point. I will click here. I will go to map, then I will go to add data, and from there I will go to desktop where I get my data, and the name is Rio Kwamo. So I open it, and then I click here, or double click here, and then say okay. So as you can see, it's go to standalone tables. That's where my data is go. So now I will click on my, let me show you how the data is. I will click here to open it. Oh no, sorry, let's make a right click here and then open table to verify if my data are here correctly. So okay, you see I have Y and X. Y is the latitude and X is my longitude. So with these 2 points, two geographic coordinates, I have a point, and then this is the point that I'm going to add to the map. So I made a right click here, and then I go to display X and Y data. So I have them here. So I click run. So to add my geographic reference to the place I want to create my watershed. So I will add it it will be added to this current map. That's why I don't change anything here. This is world map. So you see 1984. So I will get it. Okay, perfect. So now my point is added to my data, and you can see it here. My point to the map, so you can see it here. All right, perfect. Now this is my point. So now I will verify if my point is aligned to the basin. So I click here. I can see here that my point is a little bit far from the basin. So what I need to do, I am going to overlay my data to the basin. So what I'm going to do here, I will create a snap pull point. So I go here, I click on snap pull point, and then here I put my data, like this data, and then here I will put the flow accumulation that I created. Okay, and then I say run. Oh nope, sorry. As you can see, there is no difference. This is the snap pull point and this is my point. So I need to increase the distance here. So I don't know how much I should put. Then I will try different numbers to see which one will fit better. So let's put 90, and then say run. Okay, 90 it is too small, so this one should fit in there. So I need to increase it. Let's put now 130. $130 is still too small, so I will put 140 instead. 140, and then say run. So I need this to be exactly here or here. That's why I don't know the distance, so I need to use different numbers until I have it. Now it's in there. This is perfect. Now I get it where I want it to be, and then with that I will create again the watershed. So I back, and then I click on watershed. Here I put the flow direction, and here I put my snap pull point here, and then I say run. I click run. Better, and then it's working. It will take some time again to process. Well, why? There you go. The new watershed is created now. I got the new watershed here, so you can see it there. Okay, let me check it. That's my watershed. Okay, yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect, right? So now, once I created my watershed, I need to create other features. Let's go. Now I will create stream. I will create stream right now. So I will again go to toolboxes, and I will look for map algebra. Map algebra. I go to map algebra here. Map algebra. I click here, and I click raster calculator. Then I click on cone. Okay, cone. Double click. Then I click on my flow accumulation. Double click again. And then I click this. Okay, then I put 100 again, 1,1. Okay, then I say run. Now my data is my streams are created. As you can see here, I have my stream here that are created when I use this formula and this formulation. So now the next thing I will need to do is to create the stream orders. I will now create the stream orders right now. Okay, so I will go the same place where I was before. Here I will type stream orders. Stream orders, and then I see that one, so I click here, and then I will put my stream here, stream, and then I will put my flow direction here, flow direction here, and then I click run. These are my streams. These are all my streams. Wait a minute. So now I'm creating my stream orders, as you can see. Okay, it's processing. Now you can see the stream orders. Okay, so the stream orders. Okay, so this is my watershed, but how do I extract my watershed from all of these watersheds that we have here? So what I will do, I will make an extraction. I can either do a clip or an extraction by mask. I will do an extraction by mask. Now I will type here extraction by mask. Okay, I click here. For my input raster, I will put my stream orders. I will put here basin, or let's say watershed. Basin, watershed, basin, and then here I put stream orders, and then I say run. Now I will uncheck this. I will uncheck all of these. It's processing, so I will uncheck this, uncheck this, uncheck this. No, I need that. I need that. Okay. Uncheck which one else? Okay, uncheck this. Okay, I need that. Okay, so it's processing for one. Oops. Okay, it's processing. Watershed flow 1 with that. Okay, it's it processing now. I don't need that. This was not the one I need. Okay. Okay. Okay, perfecto. Now I have extract my stream orders with the watershed. So this is it. So now if I don't want to see that, I can uncheck that. Now I only see my watershed. But what if I want to put a border here? If I want to put a border, I will click on basin. No, not basin, sorry, on watershed. Then I will go to geoprocessing, convert raster to polygon. Then I will put my input raster, which is watershed, and then I will convert it to polygon. Say one. Okay, now this is discover my stream. So I click here, I put no color. Okay, and then let's go to symbology instead. Okay, symbology. I go to properties, and then I say no color here, no color, and then I choose an outline color. Let's choose this one, and then say run. So this is that one. I want to do that, not the other one. Okay, this was this one. No, let's go here again. Oh, I remove the other color I had here. It was pink. Then I put no color, and then I give let's give a black color here, a black color or a blue. I like blue. Let's see blue. and then say apply, and then I come here, I uncheck that. So now that's it. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like it, so just click on like, or also subscribe to see more video. Thank you.